Hey, I am here with another great unboxing. Stick around. Hey friend, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I am Shirley with Holistic Transformations Massage, also known as Jolly with Jolly's Healing Touch. I'm so excited to show this unboxing. I'm so excited to share this work today. Another friend of mine who's an amazing artist is growing squash, butternut squash this year. And so I'm here with another awesome unboxing. Stick around. Okay, so before we get started, I just want to tell you that Adofo is an amazing artist and illustrator. Also creates logos. So he created my logo, which you can tell I'm very proud of. I post everywhere. I love my logo. And so this year, well, Adofo has been growing food for a while. He posts a lot on his social media about his gardening and farming experiences, and he grows quite a lot. But this year I saw that he grew butternut squash, and as a Haitian woman, I love my butternut squash soup. We call it Soup Joumou. So when I saw that he was selling them, I had to order. And so I'm super excited today to share what I ordered from Adofo, sharing a little bit more about his artwork. So here we go. Okay, so I'm here opening. So here we go. I'm not showing because it's a really big box. So I paid for my butternut squash and shipping, and I received my items. Here we go. There's a little shadow, but I wanted to be in the sun today. There's a little shadow. I hope you guys don't mind. It's really well packaged. And look at this. I can't wait to show my mom. She was like, bring them down to me. I want to make some soup. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful. And I am so proud that he grew this. And you know, from a seed, this beautiful butternut squash that can feed how many people for how many days, you know, with some other vegetables. So I love it. It's so beautiful. It's beautiful. And so, oh my God. Oh my God. Look at this box. Look at this butternut squash. She's beautiful. She's beautiful. Love it. Look at that. Guys, this is amazing. He grew this. Wow. So I hope you don't mind. I'm going to take all the seeds and give it to my husband and see what magic he can make with them, because I'm sure he can grow some too. But this is amazing. I am so proud of you, Adofo, and I'm so proud of people who grow food, because without you, we perish. So, you know, I'm looking to see if there's something else in there, because he's my buddy. He might have put something else in there, because I really ordered one squash and I got two. So let's just look. Yes! Yes! Oh man! I'll take a picture if you can't see. Oh man, he's awesome. This made my day. I'll take a picture so you can really see it. Yes, and that's my size. Small girls react faster, big girls command attention, tall girls retire, baby girls play longer. It's the sum of all us girls. I love it. Thank you. So I'm so happy. Just making sure I'm not leaving anything else. Oh man! He gave me seeds! I'm so psyched. He sent me seeds. This is great. What a great guy. So my husband's gonna love this. Wait till I show Rashawn. He is gonna be so happy when he sees this bag of seeds that you sent us, that Adofo sent us. So guys, listen, check out his website, because you can still make your orders. You can get a few butternut squashes and you'll see some other things, some other awesome things on his website. So now I really want to make sure I got everything, because it's definitely a lot more surprises than I thought. I love this little bag he gave me too in it. Okay. All right, so I did get everything, and now I want to show you some of his work. So, like I said, Elihu Adofo Bey, I like to call him Adofo, but his name is Elihu Adofo Bey, is an illustrator, and I will definitely take pictures and post on this video so you can see, and I will also link his website so that you can directly experience his beautiful work, and also see where you can order yours, and also look and see if you can order some more butternut squash if he has some. Those are big ones, they're huge. So yeah, this is one of his works. He actually illustrated this piece a few years back. Elihu Adofo Bey is one of my favorite visual artists. That's why I'm so grateful that I can reach out to him and say, hey, can you create a logo for me, or just see his work. It's very, very inspiring. So his work is also very thoughtful. Here is another one of his pieces. This is the coloring book, the coloring and activity book that he illustrated. This is part 2. And I mean, come on, this man is awesome. I mean, this is so beautiful. He is so inspiring. This is again the same image but bigger in the book. And then this is another one. So we have one squash here, and our other squash, oh my God, this is huge. It's big. It's beautiful. A t-shirt. This is great. And this one really touched my heart. I think this was probably the favorite part of this shipment is, right? The seeds. Exciting. I can't wait to put them in the earth. I can't wait to give them to my husband and have him plant them. I'm sure he can grow some amazing, amazing butternut squash with these. So thank you so much. I'm so grateful that So I'm super grateful for the opportunity to reach out to someone that I know, a business owner, and say, hey, I want your product, and purchase from him. I mean, I'm so excited to be able to do that. I really feel it is important for us to invest in each other, invest in each other's projects, invest in each other. I could have easily gone to Publix and bought this, but it wouldn't have been this beautiful. It's not organic, right? And I'm actually putting money in the pockets of someone I know, not a corporation, but a person that I know that needs it, a small business. So please go out and reach out and support your local farmers, support your local artists, support your local, business owner, because it's needed, and we have to start investing in individuals. So thank you so much for being here with me with this unboxing. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you again on the next video. Bye.